And now, your ABC6 Storm Tracker weather with Chief Meteorologist Jeff Denoyer.
You know, the blizzard last Saturday was kind of like our storm. You know, we had the big time snow and the wind. This particular system that brought the rain, the freezing rain, the sleet, and even a little snow, this was a big national storm. I mean, extending so many parts of the lower 48 affected by this one storm. Right now, I keep looking to see if I see this blinking yellow. I know the camera's a little fuzzy right now, but I am seeing a lot of blinking yellow, telling me that the snow plows are out there, but they're not plowing snow. They're putting salt and sand down, trying to stay ahead of the icy conditions that had plagued the area since about evening hours. Temperatures are in the 20s, though westerly still at 30, so we are well below freezing. After hitting high temperatures in the 50s this morning, we've dropped about 30 degrees since about 8 a.m. Frigid air pouring south, and behind the precipitation is a blast of really cold air. So even if you stay sanding and salting all night long, everything's wet. We've had sleet, we've had freezing rain, we have another little burst of precipitation moving through now. Everything is coated out there, and obviously very difficult to get that cleared off overnight. It will stay that way for much of the night. Icy conditions. Temperatures, I got upper teens, and maybe even a few low 20s, but I think more teens than 20s. As the precipitation continues to race through. This looks like a big blast of snow, but there's some sleet mixed in here, and this is not what you need right now. We are trying to get things cleaned up. Precipitation had backed off briefly around 10 o'clock, and then one more little burst of some sleet and snow, just enough to coat the roads once again and make it very difficult for crews to stay ahead of this during the overnight. Off to the south and west, there is a back edge to this, and it does look like it will move through. This probably is the last hurrah of precipitation, but the icy conditions will stick around during the overnight. Winter weather advisory keeps getting extended. This should say 1 a.m. now, Rhode Island and southeastern Mass, and it even includes parts of the Cape now for those icy conditions, all from that little blast of sleet we had earlier, freezing rain, snow. It just goes to show you, you don't need to pile the snow up to have a major impact from a winter storm. This is a classic example. Rain at first, and now look what we're dealing with tonight. So we go through the night. Here's your futurecast. That little blast on the radar I showed you that's moving through now, this is it here, and it moves out by morning. So therefore, some sun tomorrow. It's cold. A lot of you have asked me, if it's cold, is the sun going to melt stuff? It will on the pavement, and that sun beating down. Throw a little salt on your driveway, and it'll do a really good job of clearing it off if you can get out there early enough and let the sun do the work. Frigid temperatures Saturday night, and then Sunday, still cold, temperatures near 30, a little cloud cover in the afternoon, but I went mostly sunny for the weekend. And then for Monday and Tuesday, some clouds, a few rain showers Tuesday, and then moderating temperatures for Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, daytime highs in the 40s with a good deal of sunshine. Ian.
Thank you, Jeff. PC standout Nate Watson in the running for a major